Hello everyone, I Kanere Chirag, Faculty of Diploma Computer in Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. Welcome all to Lecture 1 of Unit 5, Toast, Menu, Dialog and List and Adapter. In this lecture, we will discuss about Toast and Custom Toast and how to use Toast and Custom Toast in Android programming with simple example. First is Android Toast. In Android, Toast is a small pop-up notification that is used to display information about the operation which we performed in our app. The toast will show the message for a small period of time and it will disappear automatically after a timeout. Generally, the size of toast will be adjusted based on the space required for the message and it will be displayed on the top of the main content of activity for a short period of time. For example, some of the apps will show a message like press again to exit in Toast when we pressed a back button on the home page, or showing a message like saved successfully Toast when we click on the button to save the detail. Following is the pictorial representation of using Toast in Android application. Now we will learn how to create a toast. In Android, we can create a toast by initiating an android.widget.toast object using makeText method. The makeText method will take three parameters: application context, text message, and duration for the toast. We can display toast notification by using show method. Following is the syntax of creating toast in Android application. If you observe above syntax, we define a toast notification using makeText method with three parameters. Those are context, it's our application context; message, it's our custom message which we want to show in toast notification; duration, it is used to define the duration for notification to display on the screen. We have two ways to define the toast duration, either in length long and length short. To display the toast notification for a long or shorter period of time. Following is the example of defining a toast in Android application. Toast.makeText main activity.this means in this activity toast will be appeared and details saved successfully, which is message of text toast, and toast dot length short, and method is dot show is used. Now change the position of Android toast notification. By default, the Android toast notification will always appear near the bottom of the screen, centered horizontally. In case if you want to change the position of toast notification, we can do it by using setGravity method. The setGravity method will accept three parameters: gravity constant, x position offset, and y position offset. Following is the example of changing the position of Android toast notification to top right based on offset position by using setGravity method. If you want to move position of toast to right, increase the value of second parameter. To move it down, increase the value of the last parameter. Now we will create a simple example of toast notification. XML file contain one button. Button is used when button is clicked, then toast will appear, and main activity file contain button click event, and buttons click event method is on click content toast, and we have setGravity method for change position and how output will be when button is clicked and toast is appeared. If you observe the above result, we change the position of toast notification to the top right side on button click based on requirement. In case if you want to change the style of toast notification, then we can do it by creating a custom XML layout file. So next topic is Android custom toast. Generally the toast notification in Android will be displayed with simple text. In Android, we can customize the layout of our toast notification to change the appearance based on our requirements, like include images in toast notification or change the background color of toast notification. Following is the pictorial representation of using custom toast notification in Android application. To customize the appearance of toast notification, we need to create a custom layout in our XML or application code and pass the root view object to the set view method. Now we will create a custom toast in Android. To create a custom toast notification in Android, we need to define a custom view layout in XML. For that, create a custom XML file custom_toast.xml in layout folder and write the code like as shown below. To use this custom layout as a toast notification in Android application, we need to inflate the layout using this code. If you observe above code, we created an instance of layout inflator with get layout inflator and the inflate our XML layout using inflate method. Here the first parameter is the layout resource ID and the second is the root view, and this inflated layout will help us to find the view object in the layout. After that, we created new toast with toast and set required property of the toast. Then we call set view and pass it to the inflated layout. Once we are done with the required configuration, then we can show the custom toast notification by calling show method. Now we will create a simple example of custom toast. If you observe above code, we created one button control in XML layout file to show the custom toast notification. When we click on button, now we need to create custom layout for our toast notification. For that, create a new XML file in layout folder and write the code for custom toast. If you observe above code, we are loading image from drawable folder, so you need to add your icon in drawable folder to show it in notification. Once we are done with the creation of layout with required control, we need to load the XML layout resources from our activity on create callback method. For that, open main activity file main_activity.java from packages and write the code like as shown below. If you observe above code, we are calling our custom toast notification by using layout inflator object and showing a toast notification on button click. Generally, during the launch of our activity, the onCreateCallback method will be called by the Android framework to get the required layout for an activity. When we run above example using Android virtual device, we will get the result like as shown below. If you observe above result, we create a custom toast notification and showing it on button click based on our requirement. This is how we can create custom toast notification in Android application based on our requirement. Thank you for watching this lecture. For more video, like our YouTube channel, share and subscribe.